What's up YouTube, my name is George and today's video we're gonna review the Bolt Pro by Jetson.
Hey guys, so this is the Bolt Pro by Jetson, a foldable compact e-bike. I purchased this at Costco for $299 before tax, and I had this for a week now and I was able to bring it to different places. And let me tell you, it's so much fun to use it. Just in a little bit, I will go over all the specs, what's included, and how it performs in different types of surfaces including flat ground, grass, loose gravel, trails, and going uphill. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe and smash that like button to help out my channel grow and create more videos like this. Anyway, let's get into it. Assembling the Bolt Pro is very simple. I was able to assemble it for about 10 minutes or less using only the tools they provided. But if you have a set of tools at home, you can even assemble it for less than 5 minutes. So here is what's included with the Bolt Pro. You will receive one battery charger, 2 wrench, 1 Allen wrench with screwdriver, 2 packets, and 1 detachable rear light with 3 settings. So on your left side, up your handlebar, you will see your power button if you want to turn on your pedal assist or use the hand throttle. Also, you can see a basic analog bell. On the right side, you will see your hand throttle, your battery indicator light, your cruise control, and headlight button. If you want to turn on your headlight, simply hold that for 4 seconds, and if you want to turn it off, just hold it for another 4 seconds. This compact e-bike comes with 350 watts hub motor on a 14-inch wheel. Now I'll show you what the kickstand looks like. As you can see, you can kick it easily, you don't have to assemble it. Now I'm going to show you how to fold the handlebar, and here I'm going to show you real quick. There is a locking device you have to remove first, and then simply push that very gently and then you can fold it. I was surprised how comfortable the seat was when I was riding it for a long period of time due to the thick foam and the 2-spring. Now I'll talk about that rear light. As you can see, I'll show you that's the first setting. That's the second, and that's the third one, and you can turn it off. It weighs only 41 pounds. It's very compact. Here I will show you that I can fit 2 of this on my Honda Civic trunk. Just make sure to put something in between, such as rug or any towel, just to avoid any scratches. If you want more information, just simply click that pause button or just go on the link down below. Now let's test drive it. For my final thought, I just want to say I really like this bike. For $299, I think that is a great deal. I like how compact it is, especially I don't have a big car, so if you have a sedan like me, I think this will be great for you. The speed is fast enough if you just want to cruise around in town, cities, or trails that is flat and not too rocky. Some of the things that I don't like about it is the pedal is not foldable, so I can't lay it flat when I was putting it on the trunk. Also, when I was just using the hand throttle, it struggles going uphill, but it still managed to do it in a slower pace. One issue that I always find it kind of annoying is that the cruise control all of a sudden is turned on. So you will feel a burst of speed while riding it. But if you just turn that off and press the brake, you should be fine. Overall, I'm really happy with this bike. I'm happy with my purchase. I was able to bring it to different places. I was able to ride it, and I'm telling you, I really recommend this. If you have any question, if you have any comment, please put that down below and I will answer it. And thank you for watching. Till next time, my name is Joe Rich. Peace out.